Hi guys, in this chapter we'll discuss about bubble charts. These bubble charts are also same like as scatter plots, but the difference is in the scatter plots we have only x and y axis, but here along with the x and y axis we have z axis also, that is for size. So these bubble charts are commonly used for adding a third dimension, that is called size, to a scatter plot format. Look at there. So there is a data like x-axis, y-axis, and the bubbles are representing as a z-axis, and we'll add for the z-axis the bubbles as well as trend line also. For example, there are product sales x, revenue y, and there is size as a bubbles by a company, and income per capita x, life expectancy y, and population in size by country. And some pro tips are: use color as fourth dimension to differentiate between categories, and use cell formulas and form controls to create a dynamic and animated bubble chart. We'll see in the Excel how to create this bubble charts. This is the same data we created scatter plots charts. Just there are years, teams, team ID, lakes. So already we discussed about the data in the scatter plots. Now for this bubble charts, we'll take the data for the year 2000 only, and we'll take run differential and wins. Now first I need to insert a blank chart, blank bubble chart. So just select the cell, blank cell, and go to the insert bubble. Look at there. There are 2D and 3D bubble charts are there. Now just I'm selecting 2D bubble chart, place here, and will do increase the height and width. Friends, now we'll add the data to this bubble chart. Just right click, select data, add. Look at there. There are x axis and y. Along with we have series bubble size also. In this series name just will give like MLB teams 2000. Next series x values. So here also just same like scatter plots. I'm selecting run differential, but just now we discussed we'll take 2000 data only. I'm selecting till 31 rows. See, I2 to I31. Next, series Y values. So in the series Y values, I'm going to select wins from K2 to K31 because till 2000 only. Next, in the series bubble size, we'll select this salaries as a values. Here we'll take n number of values, use values for this bubble chart, and we'll add to this chart. Here also I'm taking till 31. Look at there. Now just say okay. See, look at there. There is a series name, series x value, series y value, series bubble size. After that, okay. Then say okay. And same like previously, we'll do some formatting for this chart. First of all, negative and positive axis over there. Just right click, format axis. Just come here, minimum, here I'm checking 200, and this vertical axis crosses, I'm going to select axis values minus 200. Look at there. Next we'll change this y-axis also. Right click on this y-axis, format axis. Here just will start from 40. Okay, this is from minus 200 in the x-axis. In the y-axis we're taking 40, that is vertical axis. Now we'll give the names for this horizontal and vertical axis. Go to the design tab, add chart elements, axis titles, primary vertical. We'll select this. Here I'm giving wins, and add chart elements, axis titles, primary horizontal, run differentials. Now again just right click on this bubbles, we'll add the data labels, add data labels. Look at there. Right click on the bubbles again, format data series. Look at there. The size properties. Now I'm going to select width of bubbles. Look at the area of bubbles. Now I'm selecting width of bubbles. The size is difference between area and width of bubbles. Now here scale bubble size 100, but I'm decreasing to 50. Look at this. Now this data series also will do format. Select this, right click, format data labels. Say, look at there. Here you can add series name, X value, Y value, bubble size, all the things. Otherwise, go to the value from cells. Look at there. Now we'll select here. That is, I'm taking team ID. Here also we need to select only 2000 year. That is still 31. Okay. Look at there. And I don't want this Y value. And show leader lines also. Select this. Say center. So we got all in center. Now this time we'll add the trend line for this. Just right click, add a trend line, and we'll do the format also. Just fill in line, solid line. Just we'll change the color and we'll increase the width also. And we'll take this time. After selecting this line, right click, format trend line. Just come down. Select R square value also. Look at there. So it is very tight because we are getting R square value is 0.88. Select this, go to the home, bold, increase the size. If you want, you can do formatting also for this, and you can fill the color also. Look at there. You can place outside also, so that R square value and Y value also we are getting. If you don't want this, just you can say display equation also you can remove from that. So like this, we'll create this bubble charts in the Excel 2019. It is showing that runs differential combination of wins along with the bubbles in the bubble charts.